my name's Oliver from the Base Code sales team, and I would like to introduce you to our factory converted Volvo B11 Sondegai SC7. It is converted to the original factory specification. It includes the fitting of a Hydra Global wheelchair lift and Hanover destination equipment, which is found in the front, rear and near side of the coach. No seating capacity is lost due to the conversion, as 2 double seats are fitted with quick release feet for easy removal to create the space for a wheelchair passenger when it is needed. The wheelchair restraints for a wheelchair passenger are included in the conversion. The lift is fitted in the floor of the luggage compartment and is neatly finished so that luggage can be stacked on top of the lift to minimise the loss of luggage capacity, also protecting the lift itself as well. We submit completed vehicle for a PSVA 1 inspection, so you will receive your coach back complete with a PSVR certificate. We have also converted the Volvo B8 Sondegai SB3 and can achieve 72 seats and a PSVR with this specification. We can supply factory-fitted wheelchair solutions for several other models, including Nearplan, Buellis, BDL, Mercedes, Turismo, and of course Moby People. If you want more details, please find our contact details below.